Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Very 100 LED 10-meter Twinkle waterproof warm white multicolor model with remote control for indoor garden, Christmas, wedding, festival, party, card, decoration, light chain. As you can see, this is really awesome because you can operate with battery power. Three of them, 3AA batteries, you can use to let the LED produce some delicious lights for you. Or, but the special thing is you can also use this chainsaw, not chainsaw, light chain to operate with an USB to USB micro cable. This is really awesome because then you have a power supply by your house electronic um, sockets. This is really awesome because you do not need any battery to get LED power out of this device. Warm white USB powered um, multicolor 8 modes light combination system. You can use it in different modi, in waves, sequential, slow motion, glow, chasing, flashing, slow fading, twinkling, flashing, and steady on. And you have a multicolor battery charge. It supports a battery charge 16 excellent color rendering. It uses a remote control to change different colors such as blue, white, red, green, orange, purple, pink, and white to create a perfect ambience for special days. Oh yes. You have bright beetle lights. Each string light is 16.4 feet long. It contains 50 LED sparkling lights. It glows white and fast, colorful, and it is waterproof. The wires and the lamps, LED lamps, made of reflies lines, are fully sealed, so they are submersible. It has a low temperature because of the 5 watt power, the voltage power. Sorry about this, 5 voltage power. You can use your smartphone power supply to use this as power source for it, and of course 3AA batteries for garden, for outdoor use with battery power. And indoor, you may use the batteries, of course, or you can use the USB power supply. It is fully sealed and low temperature because of the 5 voltage, and it's safe to contact after many hours of operating time because it's low wattage. No radiation, low consumption, high safety. And you have a remote control option. It is easy to turn on the lights or turn the off. Adjust the brightness, choose the desired color and model by using the remote easily. The remote has some options: on, off, time, speed, fade, jump, ascent, fade, and ascent, jump. And red, blue, green, purple, yellow, orange, gray, everything is possible with this remote and with the setup. It is a flexible and durable sparkling light. It can be put into a shape, area, romantic decoration for indoor and outdoor use. It creates a warm, charmful, and festival atmosphere to delight Christmas parties, night parties, birthday parties, You can choose a nice location for this in bars, restaurants, bedrooms, storage, stages, as you like. Now we will perform a little bit how it works. The only thing is you have to unwrap it. Then you have to decorate it where you want. After this, you have to choose one side for USB power, the other side for battery power. Okay, let's try first the battery power. Slide the cover down, get into it with 3 batteries AA, one each is 1.5 volt. Then push it in position, close the cover, and you can use the lights by using the battery case. There is a button on top. This button you can smash, you can push it, you can use it. And each button push, the mode and the light will change. Easy, as you can see. Then the second thing is you can use a remote control. This is for on, off, and some different operations, and some flash, some sparkling things, etc. You can make it faster, slow, as you like. And if you choose the other side, the USB supply, only thing this is you have to dock in the USB, the micro USB, a side cable, dock it into the battery case on the slot. The other side has an USB port. This you have to dock into your smartphone power supply. Job's done. Then you can choose a battery case with a push-able button too, like before. And of course you can use the remote as before, but the power supply is by your smartphone power supply. Really awesome. The colors are awesome. The modes are really awesome. You have so many different things to set up, and it is waterproof for indoor and outdoor use. I like it really much. I will decorate my Christmas tree this year. Because of this, I cannot show you yet how it looks like on my Christmas tree, because my Christmas tree is in the forest. It in 1 month approximately it will have a timber time. Then the Christmas tree will come to me, and I will decorate it by using this LED warm white and USB supported light chain. Really awesome product. I like it really much. Now we are going to see all different setups, and I say thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.